Hello friends, Neil here, EMF Safety Zone channel. I'm going to do another video showing you just the absolute dangers of how most people carry a cell phone around. On your right, you see a really excellent new meter on the market called the Safe and Sound Pro by Safe Living Technologies. It's an extremely sensitive microwave meter. The top line measures the peak signal strength in microwatts per square meter. The middle line measures the maximum signal strength. And the bottom line measures average power density. All of these in microwatts per square meter. And as you can see in my house here, there's very little fluctuation. It might pick up a little pulse from a cell tower in the distance, but there's almost no microwave radiation here. And my cell phone has the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, and the cellular data turned off. And I just want to show you a few things here that might be interesting. So let me turn airplane mode. So watch the meter. It's so interesting. So I just turned airplane mode on. And look at the maximum signal strength. It shot out 63,400 microwatts per square meter. That's really large. And yes, the cell phone's close to the meter, but a cell phone's also very close to a person's body. So watch this. I'm going to turn airplane mode off. That really should speak for itself. So all I did was turn airplane mode off. So to answer everybody's questions who writes to my channel, I'm going to turn Wi-Fi on. So the phone is searching for a hotspot, or it's searching to connect for a Wi-Fi connection. I'm going to turn Bluetooth on. And now the phone's searching for a Bluetooth connection. Now understand something, that people are carrying their cell phones around in their pockets like this all day long. So I'm going to put the cellular data. I have cellular data turned off, and I also, as you can see, I have all the other options and apps disabled. But I'm going to turn cellular data on. And this is what the phone basically is doing most of the time in people's pockets all day long. So I have cellular data on, I have Bluetooth off, and I have Wi-Fi on, and I have the airplane mode off. You can see another shot of radiation just shot out with the phone exchanging data with a local cell tower. Take a look at the maximum signal strength, 179,000 microwatts per square meter. That is huge. The phone's exchanging data again. No, the phone's not even being used right now. It's just on standby. But without a meter, most people would not even know this was happening. Let me turn Wi-Fi off. So Wi-Fi is off, Bluetooth is off, but cellular data is on. And now the phone is exchanging data again with a local cell tower. And please, I want to emphasize that everybody, and look at the maximum signal strength at 200,000 microwatts per square meter. That is really high. What I was saying is I want to emphasize that everybody is carrying these great little smartphones in their pockets. All right, well, that's an interesting communication with a cell tower, maxed out at 230,000 microwatts per square meter. Okay, so now I turned cellular data off. I've turned Wi-Fi off. Airplane mode is off. Bluetooth is off. This is why I tell everyone to go in to the settings menu and disable Wi-Fi, disable Bluetooth, and disable cellular data. And as you can see, the phone is much safer to carry in this way. And you can still make and receive calls. You can still make and receive texts. You can't send or receive text with photos though, like this, because in cellular data, I have cellular data off, but I've also disabled all my apps. Because I noticed when some of these apps are enabled, even though cellular data is turned off, radiation will still leak through. So you can choose what you want to do, but I have all of these apps disabled because I don't use any of them except, and when I need them, I turn them back on. But basically, this is the safest way to carry a cell phone. As you can see, the meter has shown no activity since I disabled Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data. Let's turn the cellular data back on. And check out that maximum signal strength, 414,000 microwatts per square meter. This would be shooting right through a person's lower body, right through the genitals, right through the colon. Colorectal cancer is increasing in numbers in younger people, and usually it's in older people. Doctors are wondering if this could have anything to do with carrying a cell phone near the lower body. All right, so I just turned cellular data off. The phone will radiate radiation for a moment, but basically this is the safest way to carry your phone. And then people ask me, well, what about using Wi-Fi? Well, right now the phone's not hooked up to Wi-Fi, so it'll send out a signal looking for a Wi-Fi connection. But if I was hooked up to the internet, the radiation would be a lot stronger. People ask me, oh, well, what about just using Wi-Fi with everything else turned off? Well, as you can see, this is looking to connect. Trying to get the lighting right here. This is looking to connect with another connection. So it is shooting out radiation. Everyone wants to know the safest way to use Wi-Fi, and I always tell everyone, don't be making excuses, to use Wi-Fi on the phone. Use a computer. Tether your iPhone or tether your iPad with an Ethernet cable. Do everything you can to reduce your radiation. Check this out. Look at that. Maximum signal strength, 414,000 microwatts per square meter. And again, people are carrying their cell phones next to their body all day long. So there you have it. The meter doesn't lie. Sorry about that. Meter doesn't lie. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.